Alright, chat. Right here, we got the 1-2 buckle my shoe helicopter. So, basically, all it is fighter jet. This gun actually works. If you just grab the bottom one here, you have to turn it down there. So, like, it's loaded. And if you press your trigger button, like this button, it so there's a monkey right there. But which game is this? Is I think we could. No, I'm not gonna check, but I can get it on my back. I'm never gonna. What? What is it? Why is there like rocket? How does it use the rocket? Well, you have the helicopter. There's just like nothing. Aye, aye, Captain! It's not shooting! Retreat! Retreat! Oh. I'm entering my villain. Alright. That was the Cargo Bob. And this is Monster Outsider. Discord. People Discord or whatever I upload this onto. This is a Monster Outsider. And bye guys.